If you're in final year BTech or MCA and you're worried about jobs, you're not alone. Most students are stuck in one of two situations. Either you've learned bits and pieces but you can't build real projects, or you can build something but you can't explain it in interviews. So we built a program that solves exactly that. Job-ready AI and data skills, with live training, real projects completely free, and structured placement support where you pay only after you get placed. This is a 6 months AI and data live training program, where 150+ hours of live training is free, with extensive hands-on exercise, lab, assignments, and assessment, which demand 5 to 6 hours of your time after 2 hours of live classes. And if you put your hard work seriously, you become eligible for our Career Accelerator. That includes interview prep, portfolio, resume, mock interviews, and placement assistance. And you pay only after you get placed.
This is designed for final year BTech, MCA students, and freshers or early professionals who want AI data analyst or ML track roles, and students who can commit time consistently, because consistency is what creates results. If you're looking for a shortcut or you don't have time to practice weekly, this won't work. But if you can put in focused effort, this can genuinely change your life.
Here's the schedule. Program start, 16 Feb 2026. Live class and mentoring, 7:45 p.m. to 9:45 p.m. Evening Indian Standard Time. Expected weekly effort excluding live hours, 20-25 hours per week. Assignments, labs, and projects, assessments. Now let me show you the roadmap of what you'll master in 6 months. This is not random topics. It's a job-ready sequence based on our 17 years of industry experience. We start with SQL because every analytics and data job demands it. Then Python, from basics to advanced. Then statistics, because without stats, ML is guesswork. Then Excel plus business analytics, because real companies still use them heavily. Then we go deep into machine learning, structured across multiple weeks. Then deep learning and AI fundamentals, but in a practical way. And we include MLOps and MLflow, so you understand how models actually get used in production. And throughout, we run hackathons to force real output and portfolio creation. The goal is simple. By the end, you don't just know concepts. You have projects, dashboards, notebooks, and stories you can explain confidently. You will build a portfolio that you can put on your resume and LinkedIn. If we ever publish any student work, it's only with your consent.
Now, an important point. Our Career Accelerator and Placement Assistance is not for everyone automatically. We only support students who show seriousness. This is only for students who have 90% live attendance and complete 70% of assignments and assessments. This is not to restrict you. It's to protect outcomes. Placement requires discipline, and we invest time into students who invest effort into themselves. If you can do those two things, show up consistently and complete assignments, you will be eligible for the Career Accelerator. Live training is free. For Career Accelerator program, you pay only after you start your job, meaning once you have income. This is outcome-based. If you don't get placed, you don't pay this fee. Why do we do it this way? Because it aligns incentives. We're motivated to help you become job-ready, not just deliver lectures.
Here's why this program is different from random YouTube learning or short courses or any other internships you have done. It's live and structured, not scattered content. It's project first. You build proof, not just notes. It includes communication plus interview readiness, which most students completely ignore. It's outcome aligned, pay after placement. If you don't get paid, we don't get either, but you keep all learnings. You should apply if you can commit evenings consistently, can invest 20-25 hours per week in practice, and you genuinely want a job in AI data, not just a certificate. Seats are limited because mentorship and review can't be scaled infinitely. Click the registration link, fill out the application, and we'll shortlist candidates who are a fit. If you've been waiting for a structured path to become job ready, this is it. I'll see you inside the program.